Hurricane is a major disaster happening right now, which of course is terribly destroying properties, destroying houses right in my area around me. A 3-story building house fell down and it caused havoc. So today I'm going to be telling you 5 essential ways which you can keep your car safe from Hurricane Helene, so it does not disturb your car. How are you doing, guys? So it does not destroy your car. How are you doing, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to OBJ. You should subscribe now to join the winning team. Yeah, we are here for winning. Yes, guys. Our number one tip for today is going to be you moving your car to a higher ground. Yeah, Hurricane Helene is not a natural disaster that comes with flood. Of course, if your car is above the level where the water cannot get to cause damages to your car, it won't be flooded. If you have like a 3-story building or parking lot, please keep your car above the ground. It should be on the top level. Yes, for that, your car is safe. Your car is definitely safe from whatever havoc the water is going to cause, the flood is going to cause, because it's totally out of the radar for it. Yes, guys, number two. Your number two is for you to see your car. Your car shouldn't have any leak. It shouldn't be. You should prevent areas in which water will be unable to penetrate your car. You should seal up every space, every little space which you think water can come through. Mostly when your city is always disturbed with hurricane, with flooding, you should see up your car so water cannot penetrate in, go into your electronics or inside your car, soak in your properties. Nah, seal it up. Let's jump right to number three. Our number three is prepare an emergency kit. This is a crucial step to have an emergency kit in your car. You never know when you will need it. Apart from Hurricane Helene, you need emergency kits in your car. Emergency kits would help you, maybe like having a charger, a fast charger, a turbo charger. Yeah, having a charger in your car, that can also help you in case of water being, in scenario of water flooding your car. A jumper cable in case your battery runs down, and you can easily have another vehicle to charge your car. You can just jump, start it, or your charger can charge your battery up even while those damages are done. Yeah, let's go to street number 4. Gas up or charge your EV. Don't forget to fill up your gas tank, so you will not be coming out even when the storm hits. You are safe because after the storm you can drive out of that particular location, because what your tank is filled and your EV is charged. So you should prepare for emergency. Don't let uh, your gas go below reserve, so those can cause havoc, because when all this kind of storm hits, you might not be ready. Yeah, you might just be on the run and there will be no gas station to be open for you, or supercharger. Be wise. Yes, guys, let's go to number 5. Number 5 on my list is for you to disconnect your battery. Don't forget this essential part, because the battery brings in electric current to your car. This can cause damages when water really emerges into your car and soak your electronics. And electronics and water doesn't work together. When this happens, it causes havoc. Yes, it will cause havoc. So to prevent this, disconnect your battery. Let your battery be disconnected in this scenario. When you are inside the water, let it be disconnected. And if you are driving and you are driving on flood, do not forget to turn off your AC. Very important. This can also cause a problem for your air conditioning. Turn your AC off because it can cause a problem for your air conditioning. Yes, guys, hurricane like the Helene are unpredictable, and this can happen at any season because most especially at this point in time, this is what is going on, guys. Yes, this is currently the natural disaster going on. Yeah. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching to this point of the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment below. See you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.